It's the new year and you're motivated to start a fitness routine. Great, but before you commit, make sure you don't fall into these 3 traps. Hi, I'm Floch of Floch Fitness, and if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. It helps support the channel, and it's free. Here at Floch Fitness, we put out tons of great beginner workouts, exercise videos, product reviews, and helpful fitness tips. Click the subscribe button so you don't miss out. Trap number 1, not having a schedule. When it comes to a new fitness routine, you have to plan your day around your workout. If you say you're going to work out after work, but you're unsure about what time you're getting off of work, you're going to run into some major problems. Why? Because free time can always be filled up with work and chores. In this case, you're better off getting your workout in first thing in the morning, since you don't know what the rest of your day is going to look like. Set your alarm for 6 a.m. and get that workout in. Trap number 2, your workouts are too challenging. I know, call me crazy, but fitness isn't built in a day. Trust me, I've seen hundreds of clients come out guns blazing in the new year, smashing 60-minute workouts or running 5Ks daily only to putter out by February. The gains you make in 1 month of intense training will be nothing compared to 1 year of consistent training. Keep your workouts short, simple, and relatively easy. Remember, if you're new to exercise, you aren't trying to crush crazy workouts. You're simply trying to build up the habit of lacing up your shoes daily and working out, making time and space for exercise. If in the beginning you are doing 4 30-minute walks per week and it seems easy, great. In 3 months' time, do you know what you've accomplished? Not only have you taken 60,000 steps, but you have also shown yourself that you have time to work out. Now you have the confidence, discipline, and experience to step your workouts up from there. Keep your workouts simple and easy in the beginning with few obstacles, and you'll be partying for a long time, not just a good time. Trap number 3, taking too many days off between workouts. Imagine you're a skier, and the last 20 plus years of sedentary behavior has created deep grooves in the snow. In order to create a new groove, you have to go down the new path often. If you're planning 3 circuit training workouts a week, on the days you're not training, go for a walk, meal prep, or try something fun and new during your workout time. What we are trying to do is tell the brain, hey, it's time to work out and be healthy every day of the week. In the beginning, take no days off. These 3 tips can help you get started, but having a personalized touch to your workouts and lifestyle practices increases your chances of success immensely. Then there's accountability, which studies show can increase your chances of having a habit stick by up to 65%. At Floch Fitness, we are here to create the best version of you. If you're ready to change your life, click the link below to set up a free assessment, and we can work together to determine the best path towards success for you. That's all for today. If you like this video or you learned something, hit the thumbs up button down below. And while you're there, smash that subscribe button as well. I'm Floch of Floch Fitness. Have an awesome day.